Alright guys, so I originally co-signed this Trax with my parents. Oh, excuse me, but ever since the Focus has been acting up and going down, I need a reliable ride, and my parents actually got another vehicle, so I took this one back over since it was already in my name. And I know you saw the thumbnail saying installing the pipe into my parents' Trax, but it's mine now, so I'm gonna install that downpipe. See how it comes out. Give a little bit of sound to it. So I don't know, I haven't posted anything in a while. I've been so busy with the kid, the baby, and everything. So hopefully by the time you guys see this, you know. So let's get to it. It's gonna be hard. It's not easy as a Sonic or the Cruise to access, so hopefully we can get this done fast. But I won't be able to do a time lapse, so I'll stop and show you guys where I'm at and then keep going, and then from there we'll go.
So I took the heat shields off. Only had 2 bolts right there, 1 and 2, and 1 mounted right there, and disconnected the clamp right here. But the only one I hate that happened last time was a bolt at the bottom. This one sucked last time. I haven't posted a video yet, but I've got the whole cat back to the Sonic. It sounds really nice. I haven't done a video on that one yet, but that's the hardest one to get to, is that bolt right there in the Sonic. For some reason it was so easy in this one, but I took it off. I need to get bolts. I didn't get no bolts. I forgot to get some. That's it. Yeah, it was pretty easy since I've done it to the Sonic already. So pull it out, let's put the downpipe in, tighten it back up, and haul ass to AutoZone and get some bolts. Or unless I can, maybe I can knock them out from this one. But yeah, this is it. They sold out, and I happened to find this one on OfferUp, and it was near me, just a little ways, not a little ways. Met the guy halfway, so just get the Trax a little rumble, see how it sounds, since I'm gonna be driving it. But this is supposed to be a little off-road project, so I got the tires, some big tires on this, the all-terrain. They're the 215 70/16s, and later on I'll probably get a lift kit and some better wheels, but right now I got those fat tires, made it sit higher. Put a downpipe. I did all the lights, LEDs inside, reverse, license plate. It's a lot brighter than before. I'll show you guys in a little bit, but yeah, let's hurry up, put this downpipe in. Alright guys, there it is. So we gotta install. Ended up getting bolts for that instead of trying to knock out the other one. Tighten that in, butt plug that in, tighten up everything. Let's see how it sounds. Oh, we gotta put the O2 sensor in. But look at that. So everything's stock, no cooler intake, no nothing back there. Let's go see how this sounds. I've never found one on YouTube that has just this to a 1.4 turbo. So intake stock, everything's stock. Only thing is this. Let's go see how it sounds. Alright, O2 sensors in, plugged in. I'm gonna put the heat shield back on just because it has new fans. My parents put a new fan, so let's put the heat shield back on, and then we'll start it up. you guys heard that, but it made the turbo a lot louder. So everything's stock. Only thing's a downpipe. Let's listen to the front of the watch.
Woo! Yeah.
That was nice. So I did the headlights and did the license plate lights and did the reverse lights. Give me a minute. Running. Don't go nowhere. Better not go anywhere. Check it out. LEDs. Yeah, like I said, it's gonna be an off-road project. I'll probably post a thumbnail. There was one that was built and taken to SEMA. I don't know if you guys seen that. It was called the Trax Active. But yeah, next thing, probably in a year or so, do some wheels and some lift kit and some spacers and maybe a roof rack with some LED lights. But yeah, that's about it. That's really what I wanted to do. But other than that, probably send these out to ZZP, get some money, because I got that one from the Trax and that one from the Sonic. So I ain't gonna put this stuff back on there. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. But I'll have some other videos up right now. I've just been so busy. And if not, follow my Snapchat, because I post a lot of stuff on Snapchat. I try to post more stuff on Instagram, but it's hard, so more of a Snapchat. So all right, see you guys in the next video.